The Chernobyl ant. If you're going to fish out west, this is a fly you gotta have. I've got two pieces of foam here that are pre-cut by colors. You can buy them that are already glued together. These actually used a wing burner and stamped them out. Tie them on the back. You got to be careful. I've already got my thread base on this fly. This fly, you really need a nice thread base. And then you need some rubber legs here. I put two on the near side. Like so. Make sure they're kind of even here. And two on the front side. Like so. And then what I do, this bottom layer, a lot of different ways of tying these two, but I tie this down, the bottom layer down closer to the hook. This top layer, the black, I just lay it down. You got to get everything out of the way. You just lay them down together like so. This is a really easy fly to tie, but boy, you can catch a lot of fish when they're eating and looking up. You're out west, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, places like that. These are flies you got to have. Again, I put legs in the front. Get the other ones out of the way so they don't get bound down. A couple of wraps there. Again, make sure they're kind of even. And I come to the front, the other side, and do the same. Now, because this fly is black on top, you can probably guess that this is a very low riding fly in the water, so it can be difficult to see. So I just take a different color of foam, a brighter color for the angler, for the eyes, and I just tie it right up on top like so. Just got to keep all those legs out so that you're not binding them down. Right on top like that. Now you'll be able to see that red. Bring my thread all the way forward. Oop, got my leg in there. Put a little glue on it, and there's your Chernobyl ant. Great fly.